What's up, buddy? Wanna be on the YouTube? Colin, what are we doing today?
Filming these trucks.
Got Owen. What's up, Daisy?
Where's Park at?
You wanna be on the YouTube? Get him! Get him!
Whoa!
Park, what are we doing today?
Oh, he's moving it. Oh, I was taking a piss. Well, fucking Mike said you're moving it. What's up, big guy? Fuck. As you seen in our last YouTube video, that Dirty Max Jack was interested in one of our trucks, and it's new to the channel, but here it is, 2006 single cab Cummins with 102,000 miles on it, no rust, original engine, pretty much cherry. Let's start it up for you. Cold air intake on it, 5-inch turbo back exhaust from MBRP, 22x12 fuel cleavers, one racing tonneau cover, B&W Hideaway hitch. Subscribers, and as we promised, sweatshirt will be given away at 500 subscribers, so head on over to our Instagram and the post will be here. Comment your size and where you're from and you'll get a chance to win our Live Life Pin OG hoodie. Laid on the ground and went to go get one of your trucks, this is what I would have got. You ain't getting in my truck like that. Turn around. Turn around.
I'm clean. I laid in the grass.
Yeah.
I'm not like you, sits in the dirt. Oh, we just hop in the truck. Buddy looks like he's got a mean pulling stance right now.
Who cleans the trucks? Hey YouTube, I don't know if you know me, but I'm like to go as Polished Park because that truck is I detailed, and this truck I'm going to be detailing.
So, as you can see, we got mine and my dad's sled there. And we're gonna have bean bags, Brendan and Richard coming up. They're on their way up now. Brett and Lucas already up here. We got a whole gang for this weekend. So we're gonna be doing some lake racing, some hooning, trail riding. Make sure to check us out.
Intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sun. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like
this morning.
You
Slept.
Are you?
I slept, Connor. I was fully out until 12:30 when I texted you good morning.
Do you see that, YouTube? He's eating my hoagie I just bought. He's eating my hoagie.
Who's that?
Oh, he lives out in Kutztown. I passed him on time back from DECA.
I'll give you an apology. Do everything else for this company. How do you think I
Give me a.
you think I can afford a $50,000 Denali?
Give me an apology on camera. Say it. Say it. Say I'm sorry. Say it.
I'm not saying
Give me
on
it.
camera.
Right now. Say it.
No.
I'm sorry for acting like a piece of towards you all the time. Say it.
I'll walk you through it.
Sorry.
Not sorry.
Actually, we just got the fender flares paint matched. Probably gonna do a couple more paint matching things, and maybe we'll even head on down to Connecticut. Matching things, and maybe we'll even head on down to Connecticut. Matching things, and maybe we'll even head on down to Connecticut. Matching things, and maybe we'll even head on down to Connecticut. States, Michael.
What do you mean? Where's Connecticut?
I don't know. I don't know my states. If you put a United States map in front of me, guarantee I'll maybe do 10, 12, maybe, I don't know.
You gotta be
I need
kidding
a
me.
word bank. Oh, if you give me a word bank, I'll be all right.
You don't even know all 50 states. And what do you say in the beginning of this? How's he not American?
Yeah. Because you weren't up at normal time like normal Americans.
Yeah, I'm not a normal American. Is that what we're gonna go with?
You ain't a normal
Is
man.
that what we're gonna go with?
Normal no more.
And hey YouTube, we want to talk about American. So this kid right here says that he likes to live on this big old farm here, right? Big old farm. First pair of boots at the age of 21 years old, and this is his first pair of boots. With his hand-me-down ass overalls, Farmer Brown is what he tries to be for you guys, but he really ain't no Farmer Brown.
I wear sneakers because these boots.
Look at my big old Red Wing. My big old Red Wings that I got for free because it was mandatory from work. He used to wear some LL Bean looking snow boots that I wore when I was 12. Look at him. Now he's gonna go play in the mud like the rest of the kickers. Get damn dirty. Splash around in.
all them country boys, they just go to the local pile and put their boots in it quick, and then they go out and make it look like they worked hard.
Come on, Mikey, go splash around in the mud. Oh yeah. So what's up, YouTube? As you see in our last video, we went down to New Jersey, picked ourselves up a 2017 Denali Duramax. Got some new parts coming in for it this week, so stay tuned for the build on this truck. It's gonna be pretty sweet. This week we actually just color matched the fender flares here, and we might even head up to Connecticut this week to maybe meet 3Cal, maybe meet Geo. Who knows what we're gonna get. All I know, it's gonna be dope.